In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can upload high-quality snaps on Snapchat using a feature called Director Mode. When you first open Snapchat, the camera will launch automatically. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice several icons. Tap on the More Options icon. Inside that menu, look for something called Director Mode. This is a special feature that allows you to record videos in high definition, HD, giving your snaps a much cleaner and more professional look. Once you enable Director Mode, your camera settings will automatically upgrade to capture better video quality. Now go ahead and record your snap. You'll immediately notice the improvement in sharpness and clarity. After you've recorded the video, simply tap the Send button and choose who you want to share it with. Your snap will now be sent in high quality just the way you recorded it. And that's it. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.